really excited today to be greeting you from a community in northern Ghana known as Dungu. Some of you may know, Building Walls of Wisdom, we started fundraising for a project here over a year ago when presented with the fact that they had 300 students and only enough room to house two. What I'm standing before is the new classroom that was erected thanks to contributions from Building Walls of Wisdom contributors, which we're extremely grateful for. As you can see, the school is already in use today, despite it not being finished. It helps to illustrate the need for this extra space. I'm now standing in front of the old dilapidated building that used to be the school, where the schoolhouse where the children studied. As you can see, it is quite literally falling apart. There's holes in the roofs, the structure is incredibly compromised due to large cracks. We're fortunate today to be greeted by a fantastic community. There's an amazing ceremony that they welcome us with, where they echoed the importance of education, especially in their community. They were so welcoming, in fact, that despite losing a valued member of their community today, still came out and rolled out the red carpet. We are extremely thankful for all of the Building Walls of Wisdom contributors that came together to make this schoolhouse a reality for the children here in Dungu. Thank you.